these filters make you look so flawless. Like, I don't even have a single pore on my face. But that's what we are trying to achieve with 21 Days to Good Skin. Welcome to day 16. So today's ingredient is carrot. Carrot has high level of vitamin C and antioxidants, which works on scars, blemishes, if your skin is dry or sensitive, anti-aging skin. So like my skin is breaking out, so I think this will be helpful. We basically need the pulp or the juice of the carrot. So we need one carrot cut into smaller pieces. We'll put in this mixer to take out the juice. Add half a lemon and 1/4 of cornstarch. Mix all the ingredients together to make a pack. And it's done. Make sure you don't scrub or rub the pack. You have to keep like a thick layer over your skin. Keep it for 20 minutes. Don't add any kind of water. The carrot will leave its juice and make it runny.